Jeff Horn, dating WBO welterweight champion, nang talunin niya si Manny Pacquiao. Pero sa pangalawang pagdipinsa niya ay nalasap naman niya ang pinakaunang talo sa kanyang karera nang dispatsahin siya ni Terence Bud Crawford.
Crawford on the attack. That's it. It's over. It's over. We celebrated it.
Pero bago natin ituloy ang kwentuhan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Pero sa halip na madismaya, ay nagbalik agad siya sa lona sa kaparehong taon para patunayan na di siya basta-basta. November 30, 2018, inasahan niya ang kababayan niyang si Anthony Mundane at para ito sa bakanting WBA Oceania middleweight title at the
in the first minute, and he's just done the same with two good shots on Monday, and he forces him back into the ropes.
He looks powerful. Nice right hand from Anthony Mundine, but Jeff Horn looks very strong.
He does, and that was a nice right hand he landed.
Yes.
Mundine, you know, he's fit, he's strong, and hopefully he's recovered well. I hope that weight loss hasn't...
But it's Horn who's right on Mundine, and he sticks him with the left. He misses with the high right, but it gets him underneath on the way out.
Don't push his head down, okay? And you've got to keep your head up a bit too.
Pero ang inaasahan ng karamihan na napakagandang 12 rounds na bakbakan ay natapos lang pala sa mahigit 1 minutong suntukan. Nahuli ng isang solidong kaliwa ang mukha nitong dating kilabot na Australiano at bagsak ito.
Body punching like I've never seen him in this opening minute and a half of the first. And again, it's over. It's over. It's over.
6, 7.
Sinubukan pa niyang tumayo pero wala na. Kitang-kita na ng referee na wala ng pag-asang makipagsabayan pa sa bakbakan nila. Panalo si Jeff Horn dito via first round KO at nakuha ang mga titulo.
For the second time, Jeff Horn raises the roof at Suncorp. Stunning.
Stunning left hook to finish the left hook bomb that finished that fight. He hurt Chuck with a couple of right hands. The left hook did the final damage.
He hit him right at the start, twice to the head. He nailed him to the body,
Vicious
and
body
then he
shot.
finished him.
It's Jeff.
No,
That's how it happened.
just grazed him that one.
The early shots. Mundine was on the back foot right from the get-go.
Yes, he certainly was. That just missed. Left hook.
How it ended. And then roared for a minute. And got largely what they came for.
They did. I mean, to me, the main thing is we can see Anthony Mundine up on his feet now. He's all right, so that's the main thing.
At the end of the day, we want these fighters to both go home to their families safely. Jeff Horn just came and
Ladies and gentlemen, with 1 minute and 36 seconds going in the first round, your winner by knockout and new WBA US champion and WBA World Heavyweight from Redfern, Australia, Anthony the Man Mondu.
Mga pre, na sina Philippine Sport History, Boy Astig PH, Usapang Sports, at John Boxing TV. Gumagawa din sila ng mga video na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre.